actions speak louder than words. Have you ever heard the saying, actions speak louder than words? This timeless wisdom reminds us that what we do is more significant than what we say. Originating from the 1500s, it emphasizes the importance of action over rhetoric. In life, our deeds often speak volumes about our true intentions and character. 2. Patience is a virtue. Patience is a virtue, a saying that dates back to ancient times, possibly linked to Cato the Elder, a Roman senator. It teaches us that the ability to wait for something without frustration is a valuable character trait. This phrase is a beacon of wisdom, especially in our fast-paced world, reminding us of the power of perseverance. 3. The only constant in life is change. The Greek philosopher Heraclitus once said, "The only constant in life is change." This profound statement reflects the dynamic and ever-evolving nature of our existence. It teaches us to embrace change, adapt, and understand that nothing remains the same forever. 4. Knowledge is power. Sir Francis Bacon is often credited with the phrase, "Knowledge is power." This powerful saying underscores the importance of learning and education. It's a reminder that the more we know, the more empowered we become, a principle that resonates deeply in educational and personal growth contexts. 5. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. This famous saying, attributed to the Chinese philosopher Laozi, tells us that even the longest and most difficult ventures have a starting point. It's a call to action, encouraging us to take that first step towards achieving our goals, no matter how daunting they may seem. 6. To thine own self be true. From Shakespeare's play, Hamlet, the phrase, "to thine own self be true," has become a cornerstone of self-help and motivational literature. It advises us to be honest with ourselves, an essential step towards authenticity and personal integrity. 7. Happiness is a choice. In the realm of positive psychology, happiness is a choice is a modern saying that empowers us to choose our attitude and perspective in life. It suggests that happiness isn't just a result of external circumstances but also a matter of internal decision. 8. Forgive and forget. Originating from Christian teachings, forgive and forget is a principle that encourages us to let go of grudges and move on from past hurts. It's a cornerstone of conflict resolution and personal healing, teaching us the power of forgiveness. 9. Never judge a book by its cover. First recorded in the 19th century, this saying warns us not to judge something or someone based solely on appearances. It's a valuable lesson in empathy and understanding, reminding us that there's often more than meets the eye. 10. The only way to do great work is to love what you do, Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs, the visionary behind Apple, once said, "The only way to do great work is to love what you do." This statement has become a guiding light for many entrepreneurs and individuals seeking fulfillment in their careers and lives. 11. Life is what happens when you're busy making other plans, John Lennon. John Lennon captured a profound truth in his song, Beautiful Boy, with the line, "Life is what happens when you're busy making other plans." It's a reminder that while we plan and strive, life unfolds in unexpected ways, teaching us to embrace the present moment. 12. Where there's a will, there's a way. An old English proverb, "Where there's a will, there's a way," speaks to the power of determination and resourcefulness. It tells us that if we are truly committed to achieving something, we can find a way to make it happen, no matter the obstacles. 13. You reap what you sow. Coming from a biblical proverb, "You reap what you sow," is a timeless principle of morality and justice. It teaches us that our actions have consequences, and we eventually face the results of what we've done, for better or worse. 14. Live and let live. Part of the 12-step program in Alcoholics Anonymous, Live and Let Live, is a call for tolerance and understanding. It encourages us to allow others to live their lives in their own way, without judgment or interference. 1.5. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today, Franklin D. Roosevelt. Franklin D. Roosevelt, in one of his speeches, highlighted the impact of self-doubt with the words, "The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today." This saying inspires us to overcome our fears and uncertainties to build a better future. 16. In the midst of chaos, there is also opportunity, Sun Tzu. From the ancient text, The Art of War, by Sun Tzu, the phrase, "in the midst of chaos, there is also opportunity," teaches us that turbulent times can also present unique opportunities. It's a valuable lesson in adaptability and strategic thinking. 17. It is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent, It is the one most responsive to change. Charles Darwin. This paraphrase of Darwin's evolutionary theory emphasizes adaptability as key to survival. It's a powerful reminder that in life and business, being responsive to change is often more important than strength or intelligence. 18. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela, through his life and words, taught us that the greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. This saying is a testament to the human spirit's resilience and the power of perseverance. 19. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Lao Tzu. Echoing the wisdom of Lao Tzu, this saying reminds us that all great endeavors start with a simple, decisive action. It's a call to embark on our journeys, no matter how long or challenging they may be. 20. To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Ralph Waldo Emerson, a leading transcendentalist, believed that maintaining individuality in a conformist world is a significant achievement. This saying encourages us to stay true to ourselves, celebrating our unique identity in a world that often pressures us to conform.